Now, mixed reaction is trailing the proposed upward review of the salaries of national public office holders by the Revenue Mobilization Allocation and Fiscal Commission. While some residents condemn the move, others believe that it will reduce their propensity for corruption. Adekola Hastrop compiled this report.
According to the Revenue Mobilization Allocation and Fiscal Commission, since 2008, the salary of Nigeria's president remains 1.5 million naira monthly, while ministers receive less than 1 million. These figures were described as inadequate, unrealistic, and outdated in the face of rising responsibilities and economic challenges. Citing the current economic realities, the Commission then resolved to initiate the process of reviewing the revenue allocation formula to reflect socioeconomic realities. This move is eliciting responses, and some residents say the move is necessary considering the evolving socioeconomic challenges, political and fiscal realities in Nigeria.
I don't have a problem with it. If that will make them to be less corrupt and more honest with their jobs, they are usually under pressure too. Because whenever you hear that somebody works with government or works with state government, a lot of people around them also put their hopes on them.
It depends on the criteria and reason why they want to increase it. And I know there's always going to be some guidelines for the reason. So I'm not there and I don't really know the reason why, but for whatever reason, there should be a justification to it.
It's quite commendable, because when you look at the federal level, looking at Abuja for instance, the ministers, when you increase their uptake, is quite commendable, because looking at the minister, they have to live very big, and when they look at their income, if it's substantial, they're going to distribute down to the value chain.
Some, however, kick against the upward review, saying the proposal ignores the country's worsening inequality and the hidden perks that already inflate earnings in government.
Now, if you are saying the federal government is proposing increment in the ministers, commissioner, for what? These are people that they take home alone, their sitting allowance, things that they have access to. Talk about health, traveling allowances and the likes of them is enough.
What is good for the goose is also good for the gander. So if the government is increasing, the living wage of the government officials, they should also do something that the masses, so we are called, should also benefit from that, and that would be justifiable.
The revenue sharing formula, which has remained a controversial subject in Nigeria even before the independence in 1960, refers to the proportion of resources accruable to the federation that goes to each of the components of the nation.
Still ahead,